Namaste.
Namaste.
President of the Republic of Palau, His Excellency Surangul Wips Jr.,
Tajdurur Abdul Belao Surangul Wips Jr.,
First Lady Valerie Wips, below Gloria Sally,
First Lady Valerie Wips, Mga Bilo,
Abdul James Nickler,
Ibadul,
the Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Palau to India, Dr. Neeraj Sharma, the Honorary Consul General of India to Palau, Mr. Robert Scaria, all my fellow speakers here, ministers, Senate members, diplomats, delegates of various countries, and the people of Palau. Thank you so much for having me here. It's an honor and a privilege to be here on the Visit Palau conference, the 31st conference you're having, representing my country, India.
Paman Masao Roy, Naduliang Claire, Maumnamo Madamali, yung mga Malmere Asulul Tertial may represent Ramluana, India.
I would also like to take this opportunity to wish all the people of Palau a very happy Independence Day on behalf of my country, India.
Tinagal man sa kaloyan at yan, el silsra at taburit sa Abdul Belao, el lumtera Ramluana, India.
The topic for this conference is lifestyle changes for a better health. And it's very close to my heart because many years back, when I lost my first child during pregnancy and immediately went out for a vacation, my mother-in-law pulled me up and said, "You should not have gone." And I said, "Well, it was a planned vacation." She said, "No. Nobody understands a women's health like she does. And you need to know when to take a step back and when to be there for the family."
Was tiale dodar tial conference real was ayel molod ablagar dali bolsuan mo al mangel awngil kerbel akna rambil tiaman medel merarmu netan gel betref ya mlo diol le berbagi mangai makmai hindi narinya para vacation narinya para makmlo yak me adala akmlo was handim na kalgilem mo makmom tablo se tumior gitar mas samal mngi ka gitar toy raul garbi lang akla ni.
We are taught to be good mothers, good wives, good daughters, good daughter-in-laws. But nobody spends their time telling us how to be good women for ourselves and take care of ourselves. Nobody teaches us that the first responsibility we have is for ourselves.
Magadi tutao maklub saya kalau maliu rado belah, tu mungkin lo saya mungkin lihat tadi le mungkin lo mabiyan le mungkin tawasi yang mereka rohul mereka mengenai tiap mereka rado belah, kalau hotel deal, adi kita lo mesra kemana kita mereka tu maliu kita bosel mulu lagi kita rohul tu.
The Spanish poet Antonio Machado beautifully stated, "Wanderer, your footsteps are the road and nothing more. Wanderer, there is no road. The road is made by walking." This reminds us that everything we do is something that we choose. Our well-being and health is created by the choices we make and the actions we take.
Masa dia adili babaya, awal mula adili babaya begini mirai lagi. Mendigi dan tibi tiap dili babaya. Tiap dili babaya pemorani engkau aruli. Ayel molil traffic scenes. Ayel amo ne uci telum problem masa tiap dili babaya molil beri traffic scenes.
Nearly 55% of women worldwide report suffering from health issues, including chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, mental health disorders. Most health disorders, heart issues, are also caused by harmful additives and preservatives that we are so used to having in today's world. It's become a way of life. A few generations back, our parents had far more healthy food and more nutritious food, which is not what many of us have today.
El sil se omi el centra al tira brunat amari al tir el raftela Ablakarag, mabesag ko ng asensyal, benulad ng kiringi, lekadam na, oy tisen le, anda adrir, marunong mamale, raritalat, martumado lasi, pumungay kakitakan, kalera karamol may, yung mungirigit, na may kalpesakan lending, awal mga di sa oran iman.
Nearly 1 in 5 women worldwide are known to have mental health disorders. Over 34% of university students worldwide are known to have addictive behavior because of digital and internet.
Madam na, Michael S. Bagradal, remember the Mungismurak na haligid, edi buhay sila si Alun Meol Basentra, Argal Karata Ingamar Elam, amnamo si, tanamo addicted. Tumnamo si Ritial Tora Internet na riyan si Multringi, kaya pipirigit ang narigil ako ito kung YouTube.
American Heart Association states that 30 to 40% women are affected by heart issues, and that is because of lack of exercises. Women's health needs change at regular intervals, from menstruation to childbirth to menopause. Different kind of nutrition is needed at different stages. One of the big things that happens is lack of awareness and education about what is needed when.
So sele Claude Ladra Blue Miguel, Akmul was a Modema Ewal Basent, Mobile Basent, Ardira Blue Lad, Amaria Gaid and Mondeli. Et tell me Mondaya, a Mondara of tea, Toy Nardmiwardi, or Mosmer Rabui. Adiol, Asweb. Ay kaya del diul, ay kaya del serahui, makdiul, matora men po sa sweb, ay kaya to teletingil ka ro sa teletele la to karmal beto. Dobre kami ay kaya uspe.
Research tells us that women need more sleep than men. Unfortunately or fortunately, we sleep less than men. Our gender-defined roles means that we wake up early, we sleep late.
Nalgaya klaro sa mardi di gidardila kada di tutadonggo e mungisung nuri del malmon yarbe arabul ade gidamung ibay.
You may think, why am I talking about women's health? This is lifestyle change, this is for everybody. But women are the anchors of the society. A society where women take care of themselves, children and the world will obviously feel better and be healthier.
Ma'am Sula.
Thank you.
Yeah, I guess so. Dilul wase gumiwa kidardi tial wase belot ablar delet mabosel mo ila het atol moraro ila. Endi to ubet se kidardi akhirnya dan mau mulmei yang mulmelo tiak tangargi dan mau ngismu lagi lengki dia semen dia rogil terbok raga rogil pelut tangargi.
And hence, we need to look at ourselves with a lot of compassion, which is something that we don't do. We are our harshest critics. Something goes wrong, the first person we point fingers at is ourselves, instead of seeing how can the community support each other.
Bigila del mal modo bokle digil mo o mesekal aklarigid el wasengraun silboria para tarusun kadi makonte o mesulo sel amlekenti. Ngaram dia sebela dia belum modo bokle si ada yang tim kita roka kita tak kayu sel o sol beribu. Penting mak lingiter.
Building a healthy lifestyle happens over a period of time. The power of habits. We start small. We start from very small things that can be done. There have been books written that say that if we only do 1% every day, we will improve by 37% by the end of the year.
Other rule of Wilklar, will Bagradal, Adiwai Omolget Tara Imol Line. Ngiram yung mga imol Dale and Mogololyang, yung mga imol Karangal Mololyang, wani mul laksin kololia membetul si sil kekere ya tarla ke kumna rulik ya kol blal kumna agro ke perception.
Conferences like these are hope for the future. The future is now. We need to work and leave a world for our children which is better, and hence nothing better than working on our lifestyle.
Saya agil tiba-tiba luar lagi, agil meskita ora hope. Ora meskita kalau reng lepas angar nada datang al adi mongil besut lagi dan mesal dari dalam emat mokla ni semua dari dalam.
I've been mentored to senior leaders across the globe. I work with people across the globe. I have traveled from Palau to Bermuda, from Canada to South Africa to Maldives. My extensive travel has shown me that the challenges for women across the world are the same.
Akhlamaran liutli terbelulat, akhlamaran yang betul belulat, emomen desulasa, man mau orang yang bergerak diger robui dog de lu spalle akhlak, akmal desusi.
To make any change, there are a few things that need to be done. One is, of course, policies. We've got a few policies that we've just signed now. We create awareness through conferences like the one we are having. But most important, it needs to come from within. We need to start from ourselves. The time we give to ourselves. What is it that you're doing for yourself today, tomorrow? Who do you want to be is important.
Masih global gula tuara policy tuara ado dong ok le di mera yang mau tuara tele alo lora buat. Dia kalau kita dan mau dia bahasa Inggris maram min saudari eseng maram awareness maram orang Kristen mera mergi. Di global gula sel mela ngaran senar movement metode rabe prinsip sosial kamu mengarani. Esegi dah global gula mela ni rabe prinsip legal om tablo saklu ke amo ata.
Some global policies we've seen that have worked towards creating better lifestyle for women and for people in general. For women specifically is having regular pap smears. A lot of countries make it mandatory for women to go through pap smear tests for early detection of cervical cancer, regular men's health checkups, awareness sessions, education. Some of these things have really worked well in improving the health of women worldwide.
Masuk global gula bodoh mesra, il pukti tora aburulan marar di, girel moria abloe el cega abar bumiar di girel asino mara omorol. Bebe la blu tanaruli lo senak dah hacu serembang tor girel el mo. Ongerung yang girel el mo omes lo se, girel momsu emo au emo momdir lo se kagil tar friends el demi. Ya igel toy nudu mengal sidek le moral mo mo isumo ra betul sila membrane sengal to segi de mengal ne de kau moral ya onge wam se kira de rogui el mobla armu kau sisa e kasu sunga ke lungil tora bla.
In India, under the able guidance of our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, we've got a lot of policies that have made a change. We've been able to bring health down to the grassroots level and improve the overall health of the population.
So, lumam na India ngel Prime Minister, kung wasi kira dungaw guru, partinya darada belo. Dungaw guru lo kaya di darada rabu. Kira dungun mersen ulama tabu. Lentir kaya dengar ulama tabu ya kira dungaw guru mau bitarti. Tiram na umur guru dan mersen kaya dala. Start to almost start to wear a wing, to wear a
So where do you want to see yourself is where this all comes to. Who are you today? Identify who you are as a person. Identify where you want to go as a person. That needs to be the motivator. Women are role models for the family. What you do today is what your children will do tomorrow.
Masih ransil segundo klem gimera losa nga motar ila ita aswel emo atara klubu yung mga taray kang maran mensits ng gumiw, sen omadas, ang moringi, sa idabalod tirak ng tulungan ko.
So the choice is yours to make, as I said. The efforts are yours to make. Start small, start today, start now. Be the anchors, be the role models, create a world that we're all proud to have.
Ngumul real seeds, ngot telbas, yung malmal na mlara telbas, mapotso yung tirak ng sa paparak na tulungan ko.
Edward Everett Halley, a 19th century social reformer and minister, said, "I am only one, but still I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something. And just because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do that something. I will take it in my hands to make a change."
Marikan, hindi nga itigil sa kalsana. Mas ngarikan belum sarung dil was nga nga sa mo labi tukoy ra taltay. Hindi sabi ka nulia imol tukoy. Mem alaw ra nga kan mo sabi itu gi sa gidil imol tukoy nga sabi ka ruli.
In conclusion, prioritizing your health, prioritizing your lifestyle is in your hands. It's a matter of personal choice. It's something very simple. The only motivation is are my children watching? And that is the biggest motivator for a mother. I'm a mother of 2 boys, a 13 and a 14-year-old, and everything that I do is motivated by what will they see. And that's what drives me for everything. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me. You've all been very kind. Let's embark on this journey for a better health and lifestyle together. Thank you.
Ngase meral si sel o malungui malungui morsen tretay el umongas en angalige mas el nomes ni was ma soal mo ya dala soal mo ya dala tila soal mo ting mo mo ral si digere hindi dia stop dal si sa mo katan bas essayez de longtemps avec le site alors ministre en lequel merci celle que nous et alors les gars comme solide le nous le paquet comme c'est dit cela
Thank you. And thank you so